Hey, here's me on the ukulele. I have got a very interesting looking ukulele. This is the first time I've seen one, and it's called K-Wave. It looks like a guitar, but it's ukulele. So I'm going to try my hand on it, and I am going to play a little song here that we all like trying on the ukulele the first time, and it's The Lion Sleeps Tonight. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Ah, wee, mama. Ah, Now, if you'd like to learn the ukulele, they're very, very simple chords that you can start with. You can start with the first three chords. C, and you've got just that. And then you've got F, so you've got that finger and that. And then back to C. And then back to G. You got G. Now G is a bit more challenging because you got that finger, and that on the second fret and the third fret. So in the jungle. Sometimes when I play the suspension of C instead of the F, which is that. So in the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. You got that. Tonight. I win my way, 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 I win my way. And there you have it. Pretty simple and quick. So if you want to know more, you can go to our website and you get a download of the simple chords for the ukulele to start you on your journey to playing the ukulele. Lovely instrument, lovely people. I will talk to you soon. Peace.